Welcome to Activity 15. In this activity, we will be solving word problems using 4 steps: understand, plan, do, check. The most important is step 1, understand. In this step, we will draw a diagram. Questions 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 are all comparison questions. They are not part-whole questions. We will be drawing a comparison diagram. This is different to a part-whole diagram. I'm going to model each question for you. Comparison questions have a larger quantity and a smaller quantity, and they have a gap that is the difference between the larger quantity and the smaller quantity. Here, that difference is 2. To complete the comparison questions, you need 5 cubes in one colour for the larger quantity and a matching colour pencil, 5 cubes in another colour for the smaller quantity and a matching colour pencil, and a lead pencil for the difference. Question 7. The sport teacher was matching 1 ball to every bat when tidying up. 4 bats had a matching ball. There was 1 bat fewer than balls. How many balls were there? This question is about balls and bats. One quantity is the balls and the other quantity is bats. The first thing I need to find out is which one is the bigger quantity. To find that information, I need to look for the word fewer or more. These words are comparing words. I can see it just here. I'm going to read this sentence to work out which one is the bigger quantity or the larger. There was 1 bat fewer than balls. If there are fewer bats, then there must be more balls. So balls is my larger quantity. I'm going to do that in red, and I put my larger quantity on the top row. So that largest one are balls in red, which will mean that the smaller quantity are the bats in green below, and there will be a difference. The sport teacher was matching 1 ball to every bat when tidying up. 4 bats had a matching ball. This is my known quantity of the bats, which is my green colour. 4 bats had a matching ball. So I'm going to put that smaller quantity there. There was 1 bat fewer than balls. So the 1 bat fewer here is my difference. That I know. How many balls were there? The number of balls is my unknown. This is what I'm trying to find out. I'm going to use this plan here because I know the smaller quantity, which is the bats, and I know the difference, which is 1, but my unknown is the larger quantity, or the balls. So the smaller quantity of 4, add the difference of 1, equals my larger quantity, which is my balls. 4 add 1 equals 5. I'm going to check that the answer is 5. I've got my 5 cubes here. Yes. 4 bats and a difference of 1 is the larger quantity of 5 balls. The last thing I need to check is the question. I find the question mark and I read this. How many balls were there? There were 5 balls.